Every year, the goal is to pack Team of the Year or Team of the Season Ronaldo. I did it in Pacey at 17. I did it in Pacey at 18. But in Pacey it's 19. I didn't do it. During Team of the Year, we got Team of the Year Ronaldo. And when we got him again on Pace Win during Team of the Season. Oh! We got him! We got him! Oh! 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 But then his 100 rated card got released. I would dream of getting this card every night. Ronaldo. I want Ronaldo. I want Ronaldo. I want Ronaldo. 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 Oh, Ronaldo. I need to get Ronaldo. I need to get Ronaldo. I need to get Ronaldo. I knew that in this pack opening, I had to get 100 rated Cristiano Ronaldo. Alright, now subscribe to Palmer before I leave. First extreme pack. Spanish. Who's Spanish? Cam, David Silva. To be fair, I'll take it. It's 98 rated. Not gonna complain. No money on your money. Oh, Cameroon, get this out of my life. Argentinian. Centre mid. Sosa. 98 Sosa. I get trolled so many times. Too much. It's gonna be messy in this one. I can feel it in my bones. It's German. Who's a good German one? Striker? Timo. Oh, it's Augsburg. It's Niederlechner, yeah. Argentinian! Centre mid again. We got Morales from New York City FC, dude. Uruguay. Does Suarez have a Team of the Season? Cam. Oh, it's Seattle Sounders. Oh, it's Lodiero from my man Seattle Sounders. Nothing on, and we can get one. Oh, but it's like Korean. It's Son 21. Centre back. That is very unfortunate. We got Min Jae. Yeah, man, Min Jae. Portuguese striker. Wait. Portuguese striker? Juventus! Not 100 rated Ronaldo! Yeah! We did it! We finally did it! We've got every single 100 rated Team of the Season, and it's completed. 100 rated Ronaldo, I didn't expect that to happen. We've done it. Oh, 100 rated Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh yes. Oh yes. 100 rated Cristiano Ronaldo. Bang. Bang. 100 rated Cristiano Ronaldo. This is real. We got 99 Ronaldo. The footage corrupted, but you still saw the video. And we've done it. We got 100 rated Cristiano Ronaldo. German striker. Centre back. Oh, it's gonna be Hummels, isn't it? Dortmund. Borussia Dortmund. It's me. Hummels. Okay, I like to see that. 97 rated. Obviously, not Ronaldo, but we've already got Ronaldo. What else do you need? What else do you need in this pack opening? Gabon. Left mid. Oh, Arsenal. Who is this? What's it? Aubameyang. 89 rated. Aubameyang in form. I'll take it. I'll get you all my money. German striker. Centre mid. German centre mid. It was Muller. Real Madrid. Oh, what's Tony? Is he 95? 96 rated Tony Cruz. You know what? Oh, and Palmer in the same pack. Wait, we got it. The best pack opening. The best pack you'll ever see in your history. What? Cruz and Palmer. It's like actually downloading. Dutch striker. Oh, it's not Van Dijk. Ah, okay. It's Memphis Depay 94 rated. Alright, that's actually decent. I'm not gonna go make 94 rated Memphis Depay. And Rodak. 20 packs down. Slovak. Is this Oblak or Ilicic? Striker. Ilicic. Atalanta. 96 rated. Ilicic. Go on then. That's what I like. Igor Rossi. Yeah, what, mate? Poland. Goalkeeper. No Lewandowski for me. Not today. We got Ronaldo's team, mate. Did I mention? We got team season Cristiano Ronaldo earlier in the pack opening. Oh, we have 95 shares. The end 90 rated Gabriel. Decent pack, I'm not going to lie. English. Trent. No. Sancho. Centre back. Smalling. Man United. Oh, 90 rated Maguire. Harry Maguire. 90 rated. What a pack. Brazil. Could be good. Goalkeeper. Oh, Alisson. To be fair, that's like the second best Brazilian. 97 rated Alisson. I'll take it. Come on, I want a 99 Messi and a 99 Ronaldo in the same pack. That's the goal. Slovakian or whatever. Goalkeeper. Oblak. No. Did Handanovic get one? Oh, I guess he did. 94. I actually genuinely didn't know he got one. Igor Rossi again. This man doesn't want to leave my packs, does he? Now, oh, team season. Dutch goalkeeper. Oh, it's not centre back. AZ Alkmaar. Bizot. Man like Bizot. And Son. Oh. Harry Kane. Be Harry Kane. Striker. Oh, it's purple. No, not purple. Orange Sancho. Yep. Embarrassing. Yeah. Moroccan striker. Who's a Moroccan striker? Shamak. Wasted talent, Shamak. Yeah, wasted talent. Marouane Shamak. I don't know. We got Cooper Minas. Like him. Uruguayan team of season. Don't be good because I don't know how to put that in the video because I was with striker. Who's a Uruguayan striker? Oh, it's Barcelona. Well, that has to go in the video. 97 Suarez. Okay, one of the best packs of the pack opening. I'll take it, obviously, because it's 97 rated. And it is Suarez. Back to that, please. Oh, it's on this weird, it's like that weird island. I was going to Condogbe. Where's Condogbe from? Barrow Islands? French striker. Centre mid. Oh, don't be Andre. Okay, it's not Andre, it's Oil. It's Aouar. Okay, and we got Coleman, this Romanian geezer. Oh, wow. Alright, boys, thank you so much for watching. Drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe down below. We're trying to get 10k by the end of the year. Check all my socials and channels and everything in the description. Especially the second channel. I posted a new second channel video. Anyway, I'll see you guys later.